Welcome back to Inside Elegance, where timeless design meets modern inspiration. Today, we're exploring the refined beauty of modern colonial interiors, a style that gracefully combines historic architecture with contemporary comfort. From elegant moldings to sophisticated furnishings, this design approach celebrates tradition while embracing the needs of modern living. Whether you're renovating a historic home or simply love classic aesthetics, this tour is filled with ideas to inspire your next. Before we begin, if you enjoy elegant home design and timeless decorating ideas, please subscribe to Inside Elegance, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite interior style. Your support helps our channel continue bringing you beautiful spaces and fresh inspiration every week. Now, settle in and discover how modern colonial interiors create homes that feel welcoming, luxurious, and enduring. We'll explore architectural details, carefully curated furnishings, thoughtful color palettes, and the subtle finishing touches that give this timeless style its lasting grace. Modern colonial interiors begin with a deep appreciation for classic architectural elements. Symmetrical layouts, detailed crown moldings, paneled walls, elegant staircases, and tall windows establish a timeless foundation that immediately conveys sophistication. These original features become the framework upon which contemporary living comfortably unfolds. Rather than replacing traditional craftsmanship, modern updates allow these historical details to shine. Fresh paint, carefully restored hardwood floors, and improved natural lighting preserve the home's authentic character while making every room feel brighter, cleaner, and more inviting. The balance between preservation and innovation creates a home with genuine personality. Thoughtful renovations focus on enhancing function without sacrificing elegance. Hidden storage, discrete technology, and open sightlines can be introduced while maintaining the classic proportions that define colonial architecture. The result feels timeless instead of trendy, offering beauty that remains relevant for generations. Color plays a central role in achieving the calm elegance of modern colonial interiors. Soft whites, creamy neutrals, warm beige, muted gray, and gentle taupe establish a serene backdrop that highlights architectural details rather than overwhelming them. These shades create an atmosphere of effortless refinement. Accent colors are introduced with restraint. Rich navy, forest green, charcoal, and deep burgundy provide tasteful contrast through upholstered furniture, artwork, decorative accessories, or statement cabinetry. These deeper tones add richness while respecting the home's traditional roots. Natural light enhances every color choice, allowing walls and furnishings to shift beautifully throughout the day. The overall palette feels layered, peaceful, and luxurious, offering visual warmth without unnecessary complexity. This understated approach ensures the home remains elegant year after year. Furniture in modern colonial homes balances classic silhouettes with contemporary comfort. Gracefully curved armchairs, tailored sofas, solid wood dining tables, and timeless cabinetry establish an atmosphere of quiet sophistication while remaining welcoming for everyday family life. Modern fabrics elevate traditional forms. Linen, velvet, soft cotton, and textured woven materials introduce comfort without compromising elegance. Neutral upholstery keeps larger furniture pieces versatile, while decorative pillows and throws add seasonal personality with ease. Each room benefits from intentional spacing rather than excessive decoration. Carefully selected statement pieces have room to breathe, allowing craftsmanship and proportion to become focal points. This thoughtful arrangement creates interiors that feel both refined and comfortably lived in. Texture brings warmth and dimension to modern colonial interiors. Rich hardwood flooring, natural stone fireplaces, woven baskets, handcrafted ceramics, and soft area rugs introduce subtle visual interest while maintaining the home's polished appearance. Decorative details remain carefully curated instead of overcrowded. Antique mirrors, framed botanical prints, brass hardware, sculptural table lamps, and elegant candle holders contribute character without distracting from the home's architectural beauty. Every accessory feels intentional and meaningful. Natural materials help establish authenticity throughout the home. Wood, marble, linen, leather, and aged metals develop beautiful patinas over time, reinforcing the sense that the interior becomes even more attractive as it matures. This enduring quality defines the heart of modern colonial style. Modern colonial interiors are designed to support both formal entertaining and relaxed daily routines. Comfortable family rooms connect naturally with elegant dining spaces, creating homes that transition seamlessly between quiet evenings and memorable gatherings. Lighting contributes significantly to the atmosphere. Classic chandeliers, graceful wall sconces, picture lights, and layered table lamps provide warmth while emphasizing architectural features. Soft illumination creates inviting spaces that feel equally beautiful during the day and after sunset. Ultimately, lasting elegance comes from thoughtful balance rather than excess. Modern colonial interiors demonstrate that timeless beauty, practical comfort, and refined craftsmanship can coexist harmoniously, resulting in homes that remain inspiring through changing trends and generations. Modern colonial interiors remind us that exceptional design doesn't depend on passing fashions. By combining historic character with carefully selected modern comforts, these homes offer timeless elegance, warmth, and sophistication that never feels outdated. Every thoughtful detail contributes to a graceful living experience. Thank you so much for joining us today on Inside Elegance. We hope these ideas have inspired you to bring timeless colonial charm into your own home while embracing modern comfort and functionality. Beautiful interiors begin with thoughtful choices and a clear design vision. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe to Inside Elegance, give this video a like, and leave a comment telling us which modern colonial design idea inspired you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode with more timeless home design inspiration.